Hi,
Hi, welcome.
who is Sasha Stoltz?
I have my own publicity company, Sasha Stoltz Publicity, for over 15 years. And then I also have a production company called Have Faith Productions. And we just finished shooting our first feature film, Sons to the Grave, in Atlanta. And now we have a slate of 3 other films that we're producing, as well as a TV series, Hudson, that's going to be shot here in my hometown of Toronto.
Wow, that's amazing. What's the best piece of advice you ever received?
Growing up, I worked in a family business, and I think at first you always think that it's going to be easy because you're working for mom and dad, but my dad always taught me that you have to be the hardest person working in the room, no matter who you work for. And I lost my dad a few years ago, so I definitely keep that advice.
My condolences.
Thank you.
What exciting thing in Canadian and fashion and film right now?
There's so many film festivals and fashion weeks and different industry networking events, and I find that it's really important to attend as many as possible because you never know who you're going to meet and also what you're going to learn and help you as a person grow. It is.
What's something you notice about someone when you first meet them?
What they're wearing and how well they wear it, because it doesn't matter what you're wearing, you just got to own the outfit.
That's so true. What is your current favorite piece of clothing you own?
My Laboon heels. I love the red bottoms, no matter what you're wearing, whether it is a piece of jeans and a t-shirt or a little red dress, the red bottoms go with everything.
Person you love to have coffee with?
My mom. We own a production company together, and so there's always so much to speak about.
What one thing you have learned the hard way?
To take a breath. If something upsets you, don't automatically react. Take a breath, wait 24 hours, and then react, because guaranteed your answer, your response will be different than it was if you reacted right away.
What one thing people don't know about you?
I'm very faithful. I hold that close to my heart.
What opportunity would you like to see for people who starting out in the fashion or film industry?
I can't encourage this enough that if you're just starting out, please go call up fashion houses, call up fashion weeks, or different film production companies or film festivals, and volunteer your time. You never know who you're going to meet, and if you work really hard, you're going to get noticed, and there would be advancements.
Who is your fashion icon?
Victoria Beckham. I love her style.
All right, so we're going to go into the Rapid Fire Word
Okay.
Association. Ready?
Yes.
Cocktail,
Wine.
travel,
LA, my favorite place.
lipstick,
Red, of course.
Vogue,
Anna Wintour.
concept.
Storyline.
Thank you, Sasha.
Thank you so much for this. Appreciate it.
Ciao.
Bye.